Here we are with 2 packs of goodies from AliExpress that I recently ordered. So now I will unpack them. This one is for marking your glasses. You know, when everybody drinks some different drinks from different glasses, or the same drink from different glasses, so sometimes people mix which glass was mine. So just this colorful things helping you to mark your glasses like this. That's cool. The purple is my glass. Blue is okay. Not bad, but not so strong. They will suicide soon. And last chance for the yellow. Okay, this was something what I wanted to have actually, which now I saw it's not working for the water glasses which I use at home. It will be okay for the wine glasses. Let's continue with the bigger box. Recently I ordered some grow lights from AliExpress for my plants to survive in the winter and at night time, so I believe they will be blooming or growing much better. The winner is, oh, that's nice. That's nice and nice. Okay, this is what I wanted. Let's get rid of the pouch. Get rid of the garbage. Okay. Here is the lead. And here's the cable. Wow, that's cool. I can't wait to put on my plants this light. So let's try them. First, let's. Wow, that's cool. Are you ready? Wow, that's nice. And I can like this. Okay, good. So this is my one plant, and this is my other. This is a basilic. It needs full sun. It's showing here. I'm curious how effective it will be. So what I need to do, I need to take their photos now. Or actually the video is being recorded. And then after a few days I need to take another to see the real progress. Amazing. So that's it. If you want to know where I bought these goodies from AliExpress, I will make a screencast of the shopping procedure and I will add it so you can also see how and how much I paid for these things. Thanks for watching.